Hi again. Today I will do some updates regarding our trades. First, I will start with Zini Solar. As you can see here, we have entered our position on this demand area, and we have seen a good reaction with a very good volume at this demand area, but price reversed afterwards, going back. I don't know what the price is seeking right now. If we look here, this is looks like an accumulation, this range here. Sometimes when I trade on a daily basis, I mean the lower time frames, uh, price do sometimes this setup, which is first you have this accumulation, but normally it's not, as I said before, it's in a daily range, so it will be like 5 minutes short or 15 minutes short. You have an accumulation and then expansion, and then price comes back first to test the upper range, and then after that it manipulates this lows and then tests the lower range, and then goes up, and then manipulate, even goes even lower, which is the rule of three, which is three times manipulations, and then goes up. I think it may be the case here, that it price may seek this lower um, limit of this range, and then maybe manipulate this limit, so they make sure that no one in this trade and all the stop losses are getting hit, and then it goes up. To be honest, I enter all my stock positions without stop loss, so I don't care if it goes up lower and lower, as soon as it will reverse, so I will be in profit. If not, it will be, if it stayed here, then I will be in loss. And as I said before, I always invest money that I'm prepared to lose. You have to do that too. Um, I also looked at this stock here, which is also in solar sector, Solar Edge. As you can see here, it has a similar setup, which is price is going down, 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 and then it liquidated this lows. But as you can see here, this volume is not normal. And if we look at lower time frames on weekly basis, this is also not normal volume. This is a 15 million stocks, and it's not. It's we haven't seen this volume before. So I think price may be at maybe starting to reverse, and this is maybe the bottom, um, because as I said before, this volume is not normal. We haven't seen this volume before, and of course this is only my opinion. Other stocks, I will go to MIGI, which is alike, most in infrastructure. Um, as you can see here, I have drawn this channel, I think, on a logarithmic chart, and I'm quite happy with what I'm seeing, because as you can see here, this is we have a reaction from this lower limit. We have double the bottoms with huge volume here, and I think we may be going to our target that we have said before, which is actually my target. I've drawn my target on the normal chart, not the logarithmic chart, and I've got my target around here, which is 26, around 26. And I'm happy because actually on the logarithmic chart, it's we have the same target approximately, which is 24 or 25. So I will be happy, of course, if I got that, and maybe 18, 20, I will start to be selling my position and liquidate all of my stocks. And the other one, I think, was this one. And we have a very good setup too. This is also logarithmic. I'll change it back to normal. I think we may be going to our target, which is 9, 10, and we have also higher targets here if you are very optimistic. But I will be starting. I'll be starting to sell around this level and here too. And this is my target, my ultimate target that I have drawn, which is around 80, 90, which is, I think, I'm not quite optimistic, but I will leave some of my position open to this target, to this area, and I will sell all of it. Of course, I will regret if it goes even higher, but 90 is a very good target for me. I think we have discussed all the stocks. I forgot one. This one here. I'm also quite happy with the reaction of this price from this area. We had this gap. We have this reaction. Price touched into this gap and then it went up. I have added to my position here. I will now just wait and see because of course, I always look at both scenarios because we still have this order block, we still have this resistance, or this was a bottom and that turned to resistance. So we may still come here and then go even lower. So I will just be waiting, but I am, as I said before, in higher time frames, it looks very promising. Very, very promising. One of the best setups that I have seen in the market. Very good. And you have this wick here. It started to be a doji on 3 months candle or 3 months short. On monthly short, we have also a bullish candle here. And we are going to break, I think we are going to break this 200 exponential moving average on 4 hours chart. If it happened to break, I will be very optimistic and I may add to my position and the trip to the above, because I think this is just a correction. It looks like a very good channel here, and I think we're going to break it to the above and reach higher and higher. My target was in this one here, I think was the 2.61, if I remember correctly, or 1.61, maybe 44, maybe 68. I think this was my target, which is around 70, which is a very good target. You get 10 times your money if you put at 7. So that's it for today. Follow for more.